Hello everyone, I am Sukhpreet Singh and today I'll be discussing another case analysis. Let us first discuss the overview of the case. The Mallard Manufacturing Company produces control valves for the natural gas pipeline industry and has around 1400 employees. The company has a standard line of control valves but faces interdepartmental conflicts and disagreements when introducing new products. The current problem is with the CV305, which requires input from multiple departments: research and development, engineering, materials, production, and marketing. Julie Crandall, the executive vice president, has been unable to keep things running smoothly due to the large span of control. On November 1, she receives a memo from the marketing department head stating that the CV305 must go to the market immediately in 30 days as customers are about to place orders with the competitors. Let us now discuss the statement of the problem. The main problem in this case is the interdepartmental conflict and lack of communication between departments in the development of the CV305. The span of control of the executive vice president is too large, which is leading to delays in production of the CV305. So based on the problem and the situation that we have considered, what are the possible courses of action? So first course of action is to create a conflict resolver team. Basically a small team that can be created to manage the development of the CV305, made up of representatives from each department to ensure the efficient production of the CV305. Next is to appoint a project manager instead. A project manager can be assigned to coordinate and manage the development of the CV305, ensuring that all the departments work together efficiently. The third course of action can be to improve the communication. Conduct regular meetings between the departments to improve communication and resolve conflicts on their own. So based on these courses of action, what can be the possible recommendation? But before that, let us discuss if this is appropriate for the department managers to always turn to the executive vice president. In my opinion, it is not appropriate for the department managers to always turn to the executive vice president for help, but rather than to one another, as this leads to a bottleneck and creates a dependency on the executive vice president. It is better for departments to have open communication and collaboration among each other. Based on the analysis, the possible courses of action, I recommend that a project manager can be appointed and should be appointed to coordinate the CV305. This will improve communication between departments, increase efficiency and productivity, and reduce interdepartmental conflicts. The cost of appointing a manager can be outweighed by the benefits in the long term. And further, I would like to discuss what can be done to prevent these kinds of problems in the future new product developments. Assign a dedicated project manager for each new product development who will be responsible for coordinating all the departments who are responsible for making that item. Next is to encourage open communication and collaboration among departments and give them regular opportunities for them to discuss and resolve any issues. And lastly, provide training for the department managers, those who are new and inexperienced on new product development, so that they can improve their understanding and ability to work effectively together. That would be all. Thank you for listening.